welcome to my WordPress tutorial. First of all, thank you for watching and subscribe. And I've just changed the theme, so it's a new theme now. You can see here. The theme name is Hypebiz, Hypebiz, and it's extremely beautiful theme. That earlier one wasn't much good, so I changed it. You can see this is the whole page, including testimonials, map, phone number, and the form here. Have to add the form, then call to action buttons here, phone button here, one phone button here, one phone button here. Okay, this one is normal. One phone button here. So there are 5 call to action buttons. Now this is the ranking right now. So the ranking is also here. So 5 keywords are ranking right now from 60th to 50th to 100 page. So best SEO specialist in India is ranking. So and top best SEO specialist in India. So guys, let's log in and I show you some more details. And I'm on Patreon too, so if you want to support me, you can help me on Patreon. This is my Patreon. I'm putting my courses, putting my videos here too. You can watch and donate if you want to donate. So this is the Patreon link. Varun Kumar, SEO specialist India. So I have just uploaded 1-2 videos here. So I will put this link in the description. So guys, now let's log into the website and see how it is, what changes I want to make here. This is the traffic has risen for the past few days since I've changed the theme. So guys, here this is the theme. Just 1 minute. So it is Hypebiz, and it has about 10 pages available. So you can use different page for like for our services, about me, home page. So it has different options available. Yes, it is the Gutenverse theme builder, so it's in the Gutenverse theme. So guys, here it is the navigation. This is the main page. I wanted to show you here. I was getting an error, so how to remove that error. So I go this is the theme page, main home page. So I go here and I go to the site. Now I choose option to customize or edit the site, not this edit page, edit site. So guys, the time is actually a time problem, so I will show that in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.